How to download Microsoft Teams on your laptop or PC. If you want to download the Microsoft applications, you'll have to do it via the Microsoft Store. Click on the search bar. Search for Microsoft Store over here. Once you see the option for Microsoft Store, click on the option Open that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the Microsoft Store will be opened. Over here, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Search for Microsoft Teams over here. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results for Microsoft Teams. Find the application for Microsoft Teams and click on it. Now you'll be able to see the details regarding the Microsoft Teams in this interface. You can scroll down in order to see more details regarding the Microsoft Teams. If you want to install it, click on the option Install. Now what you have to do is simply wait for a while. You can see over here Microsoft Teams is being downloaded. Now after a while Microsoft Teams will be downloaded. You can see over here it has been installed on my laptop. You can simply go ahead, set it up and start using it. So like this you can download Microsoft Teams on your laptop or PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.